mukwano gwange benoze mu bangi.
Msajja wa Kabaka ogenda kunkolera ekintu kimu kintu kyogenda okunkolera Bannayuganda kino ekibajjidde temunnakitegeera Big Music Entertainment ebatuusako Big Eye live in concert ku cricket over Lugogo nga 7 December omwaka guno okuyingira sinze emitwalo 2 VIP emitwalo 5 emmeeza ya platinum ya milioni 2 tuba noti 7 noti 4 nya 7 5 mu 0 obuukinge ate alibad ticket ku Airtel Money ya mutwalo gumu VIP ya mitwalo 4 olwo mwana mulenzi Big Eye yes Star Boss yes Band Material yes Sula Indicator abayimbi bonna bajja kubaawo emiryango gigula ssaawa nyezo okumakya lukoba ku lukoba non-stop teri kuzikiza tusumulula fire yekka ebisajja ebyoza of Band Material kikyotalaba n'obuwarabu kikyoteeka ku mmeeza olyoka owoze webbanga zetebe musaleko cricket over tujijjuze Big Eye 7 December biwagidwa
Airtel, a reason to imagine.
Bannayuganda abali mu diaspora naddala Canada kati nno munnange ettooke lyaffe liri eryeka liino likutuuseko fresh fruits and matooke okuva e Uganda ky'olina okukola kyangu nnyo kola order yo kati eno smart access business woomera ettooke okuva mu East Africa e Uganda mu Canada lijja liri frozen mwatu ate tukutuusako ettooke lyo lino ku mulyango gwo gwe kuba 437 332 7894 oba genda ku smart access business.com oba ku info@smartaccessbusiness.com kola order yo kati e Toronto tuli ku 1696 Jen Street York on M9N2S4 ate Brampton tuli ku 9 Lisa Street Brampton on L60 4E7 Escarborough tuli ku 3715 Lawrence Avenue E on MIG 1P7 ate Brantford tuli ku 1 June Colwood Way on N3TOV1 amatooke gugali ageeka gatuuse Canada.
Yes, Uncle Bolo Kendezama. So good morning, everybody. I know you guys have been waiting for me, but here I am. Tuliko KFM. Onakorairo, we are announcing the winner for the what brand? Hot
KFM. Who's got the mic?
Yeah, we are bringing a new presenter.
Hey.
Hey, agenda ku kumwezi oba agenda ku monthly.
I know you know. Abana tunomba we milimi.
Yeah, of course. Oba na Kasuku live nyenkole yo gondi.
Ngononya wati Wakasuku live.
Wakasuku live. Waliwo yagamba mungenda tandika radio. Abantu ne bankubira.
Nayo genda jitandika.
Wanake.
Abana bakuletera
bankubira wana amasimu Kasuku otegeeza ki? What are you trying to say?
Kubanga baga wamala okusuula dembe kati ogenda kutandika iyo.
So there are people who always want to see trouble, but move slowly. But just speaking about trouble, bangambye yani mukwano gwange mulwadde yagenda n'alumba genosali ne muganda we n'akwata wansi ne waggulu kati ne bangamba omuze ogwazze sebo kati abasajja abadde bavumwa nga batunula butunuzi nabo batandise okufuna ba influencer bangambye nti Jeno naye alina kati ba influencer aba TikTok ekyabaddeawo nkoko n'abaana baayo so omuzannyo gwa internet gukutte wansi ne waggulu kintu kyakutabukamu awo but
it's all baby from Ruga playing for you on 933 KFM. Better information and the best music. 28 minutes on to 10 o'clock. It's a Monday, 2nd of December 2024, and this is a Monday like no other because fresh from Emikolo.
Yes.
Baby. Yes. Are we still allowed to call you baby Coco?
Please go ahead. Go ahead.
Things were.
The other time, people were not sure.
Because
Are we in charge? Are we not? Now they know they are in charge.
People were not.
Hey!
You had not given them security.
The security is there, but security in a way to her. Ngola wakuwadde mundu tekuli mukumi. Neka stola mukumi de mundu. No man, now the security is what? Is there. Yes, it was a wonderful day yesterday.
Yeah.
So Mademoiselle, me and Mademoiselle, we are moving on making things. We are now like this. I told them, let them wait for me anytime.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The way this has happened.
Yeah, it's the same way the next event will happen.
Very good.
Yes. And of course, some people are not happy. Kasuku, bulijjo tuli mikwano gyo tewatuyise because mwagala kulya mmere all the time. Bali ba mmere. Yes. So
kukyala
is not for everyone, but we seek to work in our budgets. Kwakati mwagala tugwe mu mabanja. Because you want to attend the functions. Now, musobola okwekolamu omulimu. Waliwo bagambye Kasuku tebyanyumye, tebyavuddeyo, kyetwadde tusuubira. No. Now what you do, kati mwe mwejjeemu ssente. Tonyiganyiga nnyo kamera gireke mu kifo kimu. Tonyiganyiga nnyo. So, what they have to do, you can organize for me a function. Jemwagala nkole to your level. Choka echo. You just do that.
Really?
Yeah, the moment you're not happy, you organize it. Now, but it was a wonderful function. We ate, we drank, people were happy. And when we went back home, Madame said, "Baby Coco, how are you, my guy?" I'm like, "I'm okay, how are you?" And she was like, "What is your favorite animal?" So I looked around, I said, "I love bears." I said, "I love bears, pandas." You know, I like chabe animals. Then he told me, "Well, I'm going to be your bear or panda." Tonight. So I was bear and panda.
You are there.
It was a bear fair. Yes. So
online. I was like, what's going on?
Kasuku, bulijjo oyogera ku Amabiina. Now what is this?
I don't say that on this station.
Say sitting
You
facilities.
say sitting facilities, you can put the word nyash, but you can't say.
Every day you talk about big nyash. Big nyash. But now what we saw, it doesn't rhyme, my friend. Big nyash. But we have not yet left you. We are still with big nyash.
But
Yeah, ndaba abantu abakyala baŋŋamba nti Kasuku ffe ab'Amabiina otulese otya teri kuva ku Mabiina. Yes, please, teri kuva ku Mabiina. Let us be informed, eh? Good. Otherwise, Brian, there's nothing. Have you seen a person with big nyash? However, the challenge we have, the father washing. So,
but excuse me.
Leero nakkirizibwa okwogera ku bintu ng'omugole. Bulijjo mumpisa nti ate era ng'omugole ate era sikkirizibwa kwogera. I'm answering my fans and followers who said, Kasuku, for us every day. Yes, every day. But that it is what it is. It is life. That is why we always tell you, avoid motivational speakers. You don't listen. Natandika nenyanyemu. Kati mwenzimbye arcade. No, what are you trying to say?
Telling people yes, now for you.
Exactly. Don't listen.
You don't do.
Don't listen to a motivational speaker. You will have problems. But of course, you can continue nyashing or shaggy. You can nyash as those without nyash take men. kati olaba akaana kajjanga.
What are you saying?
Nogamba
obukazi obutono obulimu ekyama nagamba nange busimolo sibuvaako kakutuula wano ne wano mu ntebe ne kakwata kati n'olyoka owulira naye bana va ku busimolo kaveeko teka papa kasimolo kakuumuuka endagu ogimanyi balugu nkugambye simolo bukwata wano mbulago ne kateeka wano amagulu ne kabanga akalaalo ne kakusitama muno ne kalyoka muvuga eddakiika 2 mwezi nga simolo tannavaamu wadde entuuyo naye omunene bakumaze kati simolo tuva ku busimolo ne wooyagala otya abanyaasi tujja baagala munyuma otambula mu bifaananyi n'aguyisaawo gonna n'ogaba mukama gwonna yonna yange naye ffe tetuva ku busimolo ekyabukoza kiba wakati awo simolo tyobukazi obutono obulimu ekyama maama mpulira ikyuli mukube screenshots nga mundaba ku screen zenene ayiwe screen entono tokuba kubanga ondabira ku screen nene.
But mademoiselle is happy.
She's extremely happy. She's very happy. Even as I arrived, as I arrived again today, she told me, "Will you be a bear or a panda?" I said, "Are we shifting things? What is happening?" Yeah, but thank you for the love. I've seen the comments, the good ones and the bad ones, but they are bad. There are those who are saying, "But Kasuku, we didn't understand this. We didn't understand the other." It is part of life. Yeah. You can't be loved. You can't be loved 100%. But thank you very much for your prayers. Anybody who is not contented with what happened, you can just give us money. We redo the function. Yes, because that is the quickest solution. You give us money. You say, "Kasuku, sakutegedde kanzu sagitegedde." You bring your kanzu.
Tujajamba.
Kasuku, chino sa ngochireta. For us, we are around. We come, we do the function to your satisfaction. Yeah. That is all. But thank you for the support. I know at the end of the day, so December is with us. And December is party. Yes, December is enjoyment. So Sheila Gashumba, yatuleted day, but you have Spenders Assembly.
Yes,
one man, is it one man, one bottle?
She did that last year.
Right? And it's coming back this year.
She does it every year.
So last year,
Spenders Assembly.
Last year the argument was around Kasuku, how does she say one bottle is 5M? A bottle of drinks. Of course, me, I don't argue with people. But Brian, me, I've seen people have money.
Yeah, people have money.
Yeah, people have money. Of course, argument, but where does she get her money? Where does she work? I was once with her and I got account balance, $1 account.
Hey.
Yeah. Send it to the Fanakanya. It was a lot of money.
It was a lot of money.
It was
but she
do you have $1 account?
Yes.
Faiza, do you have $1 account?
No, actually, don't have $1 account.
Faiza, why don't you?
Faiza.
But people,
Brian?
You're supposed to have $1 account.
Faiza, you have your passport.
You have your passport.
Eventually.
Yes.
Now, Faiza, we are going to open for you
a $1 account. I'm going to get to your bank. You open $1 account. I'll actually deposit for you the first $200 or $100.
Oh. So I'll also give her $100.
Okay, cut it. Let 100 in it. 100.
Yeah.
We deposit for her.
We cannot be developing when you
exactly
are,
when we are saying.
You are here.
Yeah, that is where people begin. No. We can't do that. So you have $100 from me. $100 from me. When do you want to open it?
Yeah. I can even open it today.
Today?
Yes.
This is what's the Sagaro chamukoro then immediately begin eating. It is on. It doesn't leave.
It has to keep the account active.
That's the minimum deposit.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
Jemitwalo John Sanvu. 175. So people began saying, how does she make her money? You see the problem with Ugandans? We are still locked with that mentality that a person has to put on a suit, then go to work. I always tell these people, Brian, I know many people who barely leave their homes.
Yes.
Misana, people are doing forex trading.
Yeah.
Now, bar hosting. You know how much money is there? Those girls who are bar hosting are in bars. Because you can have a
Yeah.
and that is what attracts people to a place. Now, Shira just hosting a night, 20% sales as Zagara.
That's the condition.
On the drinks.
So if a bar makes 50 million,
20%. Katate, she has fees as a brand.
Wow.
Because when you come to hire her, you say, Shira, I want you to host for us this night. She tells you $5,000.
Brand fees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then after she tells you, because
20%.
I'm bringing my spenders, I now want to internet. She has her people. Yes. The challenge we have is we have broke people because they can afford data. But yes, sir. Now you imagine your hotel someone who is charging. Kale, let us begin with $1,000. Just to come. Let us say 1,000. Then from there, she says all those bottles, because people are drinking
Macallan,
XO.
Yeah.
You know, there's
Azul.
There's a bottle she bought for me on my birthday, 7 million. It's long like this.
You had it, I saw
Yes.
it.
You get it. Now, Nandaga sells from one of the nights where there's a night she does, I think, on Wednesday. That they wired her 20 M.
You know,
and the money came.
That was her 20%.
Her 20% from the sales. Now you ask, because for you wake up, you go and you sit somewhere. You an IT guy. you go and sit somewhere, and people are pleading with you. Imagine those IT people can be for each other.
The computer doesn't work.
The computer doesn't work. So they deliberately slow down internet. Waliwo omuvubuka yali alina akawola kakwana mu newsroom awo nga buli kompyuta gye katuulako agisolowinga ne kajja ne kamuga please the internet nokutuusa we namugamba beg at once beg ask and you'll be given,
because he wanted constantly service her.
We have a problem with IT people now. They keep jamming systems to talk to you. Now, for them, they think because they jam systems and they talk, at the end of that, they pay you your 3M. They think the entire world is earning 3M. So let us move through. Now, the girl said this year's edition of that party.
Hey.
Of course, the drinks begin from 1,500,000. You know those things. Of course, me, I'm going to attend. I will attend.
You're going to attend?
I'm going to attend. But the whole world knows it won't be on my bill.
Yeah.
It's on her bill.
You know?
On Sheila's bill.
Yeah.
Yes. I will attend. And that table 1 will be for me. Yes, and my team Shalom.
You know,
we get somewhere to sit. You know, we're there. And she keeps checking on us. Are you okay? Are you fine? Are you okay?
Cool.
I want like Shalom. You get somewhere to know Mugaga, Natandika Kasuku to Yenkam. We are seated with a rich person, they begin. Kasuku Mugaga Mugami Omukazi Namulese Waka. I don't want those things. We are here to enjoy. Make your own money that you will give the woman. But Brian, I don't want to meet someone who has called me for enjoyment, and then someone begins saying problems. We are here to enjoy.
So this year's edition, what's so different about this year's edition?
This year's edition, they are bringing us international guests.
Really?
Yes. They
like
say
artists?
No, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, international. They said when you buy a bottle or when you buy, when you 25 million and above, like you pre-order and what, they are going to bring people from all over the world to entertain us.
What do you mean?
Like they are going to bring men and women to entertain us.
Like dancers?
If you want to dance, they dance for you. But if you
order stuff above 25 million.
Above 25 million. You can say, I want that man to come and dance for me. Like teacher Chipoy. biology teacher. By the way, Sheila, you should hire a biology teacher. Agenda, you've seen biology teacher. I just love that guy, the way he does his things. You know, people who don't want to know anymore. And by the way, on the internet today, you're serious alone. Yes, but internet. So you can go into depression.
Yeah.
You allow them, they say what they want, you continue with what you're doing.
Yeah.
So the man came, he just jams. He's jamming, yes. So they said, 25 million, we are going to be entertained. Yes, when you hear we, that is being inclusive. By that did I tell you? Now, I want to have a word with either roofings, steel and tube, timber steels.
Why?
Now that family kati ate eyongedde okukonsolidating bweti
wetaaga ennyumba
no kati nvudde ku luseke I'm moving into pipes. Vayo. I'm now moving into pipes. Era toneeyisa ojja genolanga enviiri zikuvaako ogamba ate mbadde kinga pipe ekulidde. That is a fact. So so now they said so they said they are going to bring international girls, Brazil, Mexico, to entertain.
Are you serious?
Yes, to entertain us. Yes, to entertain us. Atezo printing dollar. Have you ever met a South African omukaladi? Namulabe Santoni. Banna yabana bali Santoni awo. Nalaba omwana n'entula lendo babeti. Nibanga Kasuku ojja kuba bulungi kakkana. You know, for that, I think it's a mixture of abazungu abaduka.
Are they the ones in that famous video of yours when you just sat and waited?
That chick I was looking at. Akati oyo bali bayo South Africa indigenous. Ate nabo batabu naye kati ate abakaladi. Bali awo tebategereke. Banange natulabe. But then I remembered my beautiful lady.
Yeah.
My maddenera bidenti omukolo gwadde.
Omukolo gwabadde jjo gwoyagala kubyonoona.
Omuntu yeerabira. Nalabya abantu. But so that's what's up. Tugenda langirira wina. Kasuku live n'abaako wina.
Muteekeko.
Tugenda eri. Namwe gye mulaga.
Abuuza.
Gye tugenda olangirira.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to announce the winner of
KFM Who's Got the Mic
for today on Monday. Era bakyala bokayi baliwo, they are going to get a chance otunuulira omugole. Yeah. Ne sisanga embwa omanyi balina bye beeyita mu mugole sikusanga. Abantu bali, please be happy. Yeah? Be happy. Jangu tugende.
Right, you have 2 minutes,
Bula go gendo kwa announcing.
Supposing.
Jangu tugende.
You have 2 minutes, so you can go there. Then me, I'll manage that.
Jangu topozi. Jangu yangu. Yeah. How are you? Good. You Kendeza Mukao. You look familiar.
I do.
Have we met before?
I am not sure.
Okay.
But maybe. Galaxy.
Oba.
Sevinga kusimu yo ng'okozesa
Eggwanga lyattu Uganda omulembe omupya mu byensimbi gugguse. Tubadde tusigalidde emabega ng'entereka yaffe yadda nnyo nga tutereka ssente buli we tusanze kumpi awo we tuzirabirako. Naye kati tufunye engeri ennungi eyeesigika ey'okutereka n'okukozesa ssente. Genda ku Google Play oba App Store oteeke Wendi app ku ssimu yo oba nyiga *229# oteeke ssente w'olaba era weesigika. Ate mwattu zikukolera amagoba buli lunaku. genda ku Google Play oba App Store oba nyiga *229# okwewandiisa. Wendi wonna wooli.
Yeah. It is incredible, man. It is incredible. You can watch us live on kfm.co.ug page right now because we're going to be announcing Kasuku. Judge Kasuku, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling butterflies. Madam, butterflies, love.
Hey.
She said, I'm feeling butterflies.
Yeah.
In the stomach, eh? They come in the stomach. Eh?
Kasuku.
Yes.
I want to ask you something.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Do you remember the first time you joined radio?
Yes.
How was that experience like?
I was trembling.
Yeah.
The first time the mic went on,
Mm.
I was like, man. Yeah. But then I did like, then I started. From that day, I've never kept quiet. It's action-packed.
Huh?
Yeah. Of course, the first few minutes are horrible, but for me, when I started, I had like, the people I was working with, they were introducing to me like on yeah. Narimba Denabonga, we've been talking for like a year. So it was easy to gel in and yeah, and move in.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. In case you're watching, in case you're not watching, right now, Yada and Priva are holding hands. Hannah doesn't even want her hands to be held.
She's having a butterfly.
She's having Faiza, give me some drama. Give me some drama. Give me some drama. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been weeks of searching for the next big voice on 933 KFM. 3 top finalists from Hannah, Priva, and Yada. Right now, we are looking for the winner. After your votes online plus a station count, ladies and gentlemen, 50% of the voice comes from online, 50% comes from KFM. The winner of the KFM's Who's Got the Mic is I mean, if the moment, because like when you think about it,
yes.
I mean, it's magical. Like you're gonna be
On KFM.
on KFM, bro.
Yeah.
Like, please.
Like we need to tell them what it feels like.
Yeah, it's an honor.
Yeah.
Man. It's an honor.
It's an honor. I mean,
All right.
yeah, you're going to be working with Kasuku.
I know.
You're going to be working with Brian. Like you're going to be able to just call me anytime.
Yeah.
And say like, "Hi, my workmate. What's up?" you know, like what it means. You're gonna be calling me and say like, "Hi, Kasuku. How you doing? Can we catch a bite?"
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And of course, the phones will now increase.
All right. This is the moment, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
The winner of KFM's Who's Got the Mic 2024 is
Naye.
Naichi.
I wanted to ask. Kati. Okay.
Faiza is going to kill you.
No.
Faiza is going to kill you.
No, Faiza get a sugar pill. Afuna kirenda kasukari.
All right.
Okitegedde. The tension you're on also happens in the labor ward.
I've been there, Kasuku. I've been there.
You've been to the labor ward?
Into the labor ward?
Yes.
And it's
Nice.
not like this.
Okay. The winner is Yada is the winner of the KFM's Who's Got a Mic.
Yada.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh. Ate no Yada oyo mukwano gwange bambi. From now, she's my friend. Laba laba laba.
Yada.
Jesus, wow, you must have about them.
Yada.
Oh God. This is a lot. Jesus.
Yada.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
You can now take this seriously.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, Hajat, this is a news item, Hajat. This is a news item. We'll request for 2 minutes of your time, ladies and gentlemen. 2 minutes. Yada, how are you feeling right now?
I am very emotional, very overwhelmed, very excited. Thank you so much to everyone that voted, to everyone that pushed, to NMG for this big opportunity. It's been a crazy ride, it's been a crazy journey, and I am just grateful to be here right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you, what were you thinking during the announcement?
Well, I don't know. I thought Hannah would take it. She's amazing. She's awesome. And it's just the same thing that I've been saying over and over again. I've done this. This is the second time this year that I am doing this. I've put myself out. I've put my best foot forward. And if it doesn't work out, then God knows where He's taking me. But I am so grateful that I am here now.
Right. I want to give an opportunity to Priva and Hannah to speak. Priva, how are you feeling?
I don't have. Is this on? I don't know how I feel. I think I feel grateful to be a part of this at the end of the day, because never been a part of any competition. I really had to get out of my comfort zone to even be a part of this. So I'm super proud of myself for coming this far and pushing myself out there. I'm sure there's something big waiting in line for me.
Right.
Yeah.
Hannah,
Yeah.
how are you feeling?
Congratulations, Yada. She's very good at what she does. I've known her for a long time. But it's really emotional because it's a bit tough.
Yeah.
It's well.
Yeah.
But we thank God we reached here.
Yeah.
It's well.
Yeah. It's okay.
Well.
It's
Well,
okay.
Hannah.
So Yada, you joined the KFM family. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I have something else to tell the two of you. I hear you, Hannah. By expressing what you're expressing, I hear you. And I understand exactly how that feels. So I have something to tell you guys.
Before that.
Before
yes,
Kasuku.
Yada, how are you?
I'm okay, thank you.
Nayo ina tini.
Yeah, I do.
Basagala byose mu byonna tini ekulemesa.
So because you guys are absolutely talented, Hannah and Priva.
Yes.
We have decided to keep you as the NMG family. And the both of you are going to other platforms in the NMG family.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's so sweet of NMG.
That's awesome, right? Yeah.
Banter department here, no man.
Backward department, ne Priva. So congratulations to you guys.
Thank you.
Well done. Yeah. And Becky will be giving you
further details
What happens next?
of what happens next. But because you guys are all talented, we want to give you the opportunity.